The Master of Human Settlements and Master of Urbanism, Landscape and Planning are part of the International Center of Urbanism. Located in Leuven, the ICOU is embedded within the Department of Architecture, Faculty of Engineering Science at KU Leuven. ICOU collaborates with a vast network of international and local actors that includes more than 2,500 alumni across over 80 countries and constitute a lively sounding board.
It was the first time I lived and worked abroad, and since then I met exceptionally good professors and academics from all over the world as my colleagues and other students, and it was really an enlightening moment in the sense that it pushes you to live beyond your comfort zone and you start learning.
As urbanization continues to gallop ahead in most parts of the world, business as usual is challenged by unprecedented migration of humans and species, as well as the consequences of climate change. The International Center of Urbanism investigates cases in urbanism as well as develops strategies for urbanism. The worldwide spectrum of changing urban conditions and interaction with the continuous adaptation of urbanism provides a living lab for the center's work. The Master of Human Settlements began in 1978 as the Postgraduate Center of Human Settlements. The Master of Urbanism, Landscape and Planning emerged from the degree in Urbanism and Spatial Planning in 1962. In collaboration with the Center's ongoing research, the Master of Human Settlements and Master of Urbanism, Landscape and Planning are premised on the notion of learning by doing through international and collaborative workshops, studios, and design research theses.
My primary course, I could say, is the design studio. It's where you bring together all the other courses. You bring them together in a project, in a problem statement that always comes from a real project. So we work always where we have a client and where we have a local university partner.
The studios not only offer a place to test knowledge gathered from the array of interdisciplinary theory courses, but also provide real-life context for students to creatively test renewed approaches in urbanism, landscape, and planning. Studios have group and individual work and are developed across scales. There is always a goal to tackle social exclusion, unequal distribution of resources, various crises of the city, and complex spatial contradictions. Ultimately, the international nature of the programs inspires the experimentation of various transcultural expressions of worldwide urbanisms.
The lessons learned in Leuven, I'm able to implement into my own work. That empathetic response and site-specific context, co-production, that ground-up approach has been embedded in all the work that we do. So I'd like to be deeply appreciative of my experience there and give it credit to all the lecturers and global friends and colleagues that we have, so that we can engage in our networks that we created through my experience there that is currently feeding and influencing my work.